If you're a localized business, you got to be ranked for the near me search terms, such as funeral homes near me, those type of keywords. The near me searches have really skyrocketed with the prevalence of this device here. So people are typing in funeral home near me, funeral home close by, funeral home nearby, funeral home close to me, those type of keywords. So whenever somebody goes on Google, whether it's via desktop or mobile device, you gotta make sure that you're showing up for the near me searches. And on the Google search, on the top here again is Google Ads. You can be bidding on near me, funeral homes near me, funeral homes close by, close to me, those type of keywords. So that way you're ranked right at the top. And of course, you want to be ranked locally in the 3-pack and organically. So right at the top, of course, these are paid advertisement. You can bid on it. But how do you get ranked in local search and organic? It comes back to a few simple things. First of all is you, of course, want to make sure your Google listing is up to date. You want to make sure name, address, phone number, everything's claimed properly. You have all the accurate information on there. Business hours, things like that. So make sure your Google listing is very complete. Second hack will be you want to make sure you're leveraging proper schema markup, right? Schema data should have name, address, phone number, hours, contact information. You got to be marking up your website with these critical information to give Google further clue and verification where you are. And third, of course, is you got to be acquiring backlinks, having geography type contacts, anchor tags. So of course you want to be going out there trying to get some, for example, funeral homes near Milwaukee, funeral homes near Blankfield, for example, those type of keywords. So those also do give Google further clue that you're physically in that city. Okay, so you gotta make sure that you are being shown whenever people are looking for near me searches, because these type of searches most likely coming from this device, and very often, right, if you're typing in HVAC near me or auto repair shop near me, they're really looking for you, right? They're almost either very end towards their buying journey, they're now ready to come over, or it's very much imminent needs, they just want to come over if you have a nice showroom. So this is very important beyond trying to get ranked for the city-based keywords. For example, Milwaukee funeral homes, Milwaukee windows and doors. You also got to be ranked for windows near me, funeral homes near me, those type of searches. And that is one of the keyword groups a lot of people I talk to, they haven't taken advantage of yet. So try it out.